What happens in a sound bath? If you've been feeling overwhelmed, mentally exhausted, or just not quite like yourself, your body may be asking for a reset. And one of the most powerful ways to support that is through sound healing. Sound healing works through vibration and frequency. Your body is not just physical, it's energetic. And when your system becomes overloaded, it shows up as stress, fatigue, emotional tension, mental overwhelm. Sound helps bring your system back into balance. The frequencies calm your nervous system, shift your brainwave state, help release tension in your body, restore harmony in those parts that feel tense or tight. And most important part, you don't have to do anything. In a sound bath, you simply lie down, close your eyes, and give permission to receive. The sound moves through your body, helping you relax in a way that most people don't allow themselves to. Most people are constantly doing, thinking, pushing, but healing often happens when you stop, slow down, and receive. If you're feeling called to this experience, we offer a monthly sacred healing sound bath where you can fully reset, restore, and sometimes the most powerful healing comes from allowing yourself to receive.